Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I want to show you what I have been working on recently. I have built the Jade Palace from Kung Fu Panda. This thing is rather massive, and I wasn't sure if you guys would like to see a tutorial for this. So, if you could let me know down there in the comment section, would you like to see a full block for block tutorial of the Jade Palace from Kung Fu Panda, then please let me know. I really don't want to spend another few days of my life making a giant tutorial if you guys don't want to see it. It's too painful. By the way, thank you so much for all of the support on the Has Been Hotel video. I really appreciate it. Ironically, making that video took a little piece of my soul, which is now stored in the hotel. And by the way, if a tutorial doesn't get made, those of you that are channel members will still be able to access it in my mini city design world. If you're interested in becoming a member, more information down below. The world, however, is Java edition only. I want to make that very clear. Anyway, I will be in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think. Goodbye.